Hey guys, today I'm showing you how I paint and design press-on nails with a gorgeous nude to pink ombre chrome finish. So soft, so pretty, and so easy to do at home. Let's get into it. First up, I'm using this two-pieced acrylic nail art practice stand. It's magnetic and it comes with this reusable adhesive putty. It makes designing so much easier. Next, I have these full gel nail tips, 240 pieces in a box with 12 different nail sizes. They're clear and extra long, giving you salon level vibes right at home. Now I'm sizing each nail with a full coverage nail tip, making sure that the nail tip covers my entire nail from side to side. Once I find the right size nail for each finger, I set aside 2 nails, one for each hand. Now I warm up the adhesive putty by rolling it between my fingers and place a small ball on each stand. Then I press the full nail tip right on top. Quick tip, it was quicker for me to apply all the putty balls to the nail stands first and then apply the nail tips. For my thumbs, the base is a little too rounded, so I file the bottoms of the nails to fit my nail beds perfectly. You should do this with any nail that does not fit your nail properly. If you have to file the nails, go ahead and do so. Now let's paint. I'm using AWSM Color Nail Polish in the shade AC06-2. It's this soft nude that's the perfect base for what we're doing. I apply the first coat, then cure it under my UV lamp for 90 seconds. Then I add a second coat and cure it again. Here comes the fun part, the ombre. I'm using Beetle's Gel Nail Polish in the shade 279, a neon pink. I paint a little less than half the nail with this color, then I dab the tips using a soft nail sponge and start blending toward the center of the nail. Once I get that first fade in, I cure it for 90 seconds. Then I go in with a second coat to build that pink intensity. Let's just take a moment to look at how cute these ombre nails are. I love the soft blend from nude to pink. It is so cute. I'm continuing to build that pink with the second layer. Once that's complete, I place my nails back in the UV light for 90 seconds to cure. Now I'm sealing it with the Canerin Top It Off Clear Gel Top Coat. I apply a layer to each nail and cure it under the UV light for 90 seconds. Let's take a look at how this nail will actually look once applied. Yes, we are getting somewhere. I shape the nails to make sure they're super square and clean. Then I dust them off with a nail brush to prep for our next step. Time to add some chrome magic. I'm using Art Done Chrome Nail Powder in the shade 3. I use the applicator and rub the powder in using medium pressure and semi-circular motions. There's no need to wipe this product off. Once it's rubbed in, you're good. Then I apply one more coat of clear gel polish to seal it in and cure it again. And that's it. Look at these, a stunning nude to pink ombre with a soft chrome shine. They're so dreamy and ready to apply. If you love this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more nail tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!